Hello children, good morning. Welcome to online Elga class at Lead School at Home. Okay, yeah children, today we are going to cover Elga 4, day 4 of unit 1. Once again, today we are going to cover Elga 4, day 4 of unit 1. Okay children. Now, let us learn phonics. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of Elga? What is the meaning of Elga? Elga means English, language and general awareness. Okay, Elga means English, language and general awareness. In Elga, there are 5 components. First one, phonics. Second one, whole words. The third one, reading and listening comprehension. The fourth one, grammar. Fifth one, writing and speaking expression. Okay, your children, are you clear now? Okay. Now let us learn phonics section. Okay, your children, are you ready? Okay, your children, while you attending the online class, what are the things you need? What are the things you need attending the online class? Very good. Your children, take your Elga reader book, workbook, English note, take your pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay. Okay students, now let us learn phonics. Okay, yeah, in the phonics section, we are learn all word family. Say once again, in the phonics section, we learn all word family. Okay, yes students, listen. Look at the word. First one, sab. Sab. Yes children, the word make 3 sounds. The word make 3 sounds. Yes children, what are the 3 sounds? Say. Very good. The beginning sound, middle sound, the end sound. Okay. Okay children, listen. Sab. Sab. O. B. Sab. O. B. Sab. The next word, mob. Mob. A. B. Mob. A. B. Mob. The next word, cob. Cob. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Cob. K. A. B. Cob. The next word, rob. Rob. R. A. B. Rob. R. A. B. Rob. The next word, bob. Bob. B. A. B. Bob. The next word, job. Job. J. A. B. Job. J. A. B. Job. The last word, log. Log. L. A. B. Log. L. A. B. Log. Okay, yeah children, now look at the slide. Of word family. Yeah children, look at the slide properly. Of word family. Yeah students, take your Elga reader book, page number 14. Yeah children, I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Quickly take your Elga reader book, page number 14. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah children, ready? Okay, page number 14. Yeah children, please take your pencil also. Of word family. Once again, of word family. Okay, yes, students, look at the book. Sab, sab, ab, sab, ab, sab. Next word, mob, mob. Your children, look at the picture. Your children, please do the action also. Okay. Ab, mob. Ab, mob. Next word, cob, cob. K, b, cob, cob. Okay, yeah, children, now let us read the last word. Rob, rob. R, a, b, rob. R, a, b, rob. Next word. Bob, bob. B, a, b, bob. Another word, job, job. J, a, b, job. The last word, lob, lob. A, b, lob. A, b, lob. Okay, your children, next we are going to read the poem. Okay, your children, finger on your book. Look at the slide also. This is Bob. This is Bob. Come to next line. Bob has a job. Bob has a job. Next, third sentence. His job is to sell cob. Next word, next sentence, fourth sentence. The mob likes his cob. Last sentence. The mob can rob his cob. Your children, once again I repeat. Your children, please along with me. Okay, read the words, please repeat after me. Once again. This is Bob. Your children, please repeat after with me. Open your mouth. Say loudly. This is Bob. Second sentence. Bob has a job. Bob has a job. Next, third sentence. His job is to sell cob. His job is to sell cob. Next, your children, read fourth sentence. The mob likes his cob. The mob likes his cob. Okay, next last sentence. The mob can rob his cob. The mob can rob his cob. Okay, your children, did you understand? Yeah, now you can able to read the sentence and the all word family words. Okay, very good. Good children. Your children, now look at the sentence. Look at the sentence properly. Your children, in the each sentence, there are some blue words and black words. Okay, your children, the black words are called whole word families. Okay, your children, the black words are whole words. The blue words are called phonics words. Okay, your children, you can easily understand the whole words and phonics. Your children, all the black words are called whole words. The blue words are called phonics words. Your children, look at the first sentence. This and is whole words. Bob is a phonics word. Next, second sentence. Bob has a job. Bob and job is a phonics word. Has and a is a whole word. Next, come to the third sentence. Job and cob. Job and cob is a phonics word. His, is, to, sell is a whole words. Okay. Next. Your children, fourth sentence. Mob and cob. Mob and cob, phonics word. Okay. Next. The likes his, whole word. Okay. Next. Last sentence. Mob, rob, cob. The three words are called phonics words. Next. Whole words. What are the whole words in the last sentence? The, next, can, next, his. These are called whole words. Very good. Your children, now take your workbook, page number 11. Your children, take with your pencil also. Your students, please take your workbook, page number 11. Take soon, children. Your children, I will give the time for you. 5 seconds. Quickly take your worksheet and your pencil also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your children, your time over. Your children, look at the slide. Letters, sounds. Say all of you children. Letter, sounds. Letter, sounds. Your children, question number 1. A. Circle the words with the ending sound you hear. Circle the words with the ending sound you hear. Your children, now I will read question number 1. Letter A. Your children, listen. Job, dog, rob, pit. Your children, now I will tell a ending sound of the word. Your children, listen properly. Are you ready? Okay. B. B. Your children, quickly find the answer. Take your pencil. Circle the answer with the ending sound of word bird. Bird. Okay, your children, find the answer. Very good. What answer? Say. Job and rob. Job and rob. Very good. Great, children. Next. Question number 1. B. Read the words. Now I will read the words. Listen. Pig, man, log, bin. Okay, your children, now I will tell a sound. Your children, quickly find the answer. Which word with the ending sound? What answer? Yeah, quickly, children. Take your pencil, circle the word. Very good. Your answer is man and bin. Man and bin. Okay, children. Next. Question number 2. Question number 2. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Your children, middle sound means what? This is the beginning sound. This is the middle sound. This one, the end sound. Middle sound comes between the starting sound and the end of the sound. Okay, this is called the middle sound. Your children, question number 2. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Your children, listen carefully. Okay, yeah, now I will tell a middle sound. Listen. Yeah, children, can you able to find the answer? Very good, awesome. What answer? Good. Song and ball. Okay, yeah, children, next. Question number 2, letter B. Yeah, now I will read the words. Bag, tip, din, log. Yeah, children, now I will tell a middle sound. Children, ready? Listen. I, I. Yeah, children, listen carefully. I, I. Yeah, children, find the answer quickly. Take your pencil. Yeah, which word have a middle sound? E sound. Very good. Yeah, children, the answer is tip and din. The answer is tip and din. Okay, yeah, children, next question number 3. Question number 3. Circle the words with the beginning sound you hear. Circle the words with the beginning sound you hear. Yeah, beginning sound means starting sound. Beginning means what? Starting sound. Yeah, children, listen carefully. Number 3. Question number 3A. Yeah, children, now I will read the words. Rip, hat, rat, hen. Yeah, students, now I will tell beginning sound. You listen carefully. Very good. The answer is rip and rat. Awesome. Good. Great job. Okay, children, next question number 3. B. Yeah, now I will read the words. Bat, bat, lip, lip, boy, boy, lit, lit. Okay, yeah, children, now I will tell beginning sound for you. Yeah, children, listen properly. What answer? Yeah, children, please say the answer. Very good. Awesome. Yeah, the answer is lip and lit. Lip and lit. Very good. Okay, children, the phonics section over. Next, we are going to cover whole word section. Okay, yeah, children, ready with your notebooks? Okay. Yeah, children, before the whole words, yeah, students, check your answers. The answer is shown the screen. Yeah, students, please take your pencil, check your answers. Yeah, now I will give the time for you 10 seconds. Quickly check your answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, children, your time over. Okay. Yeah, students, next we are going to cover whole word section. Okay. Students, please look at the board. Okay. Whole words. Now we are going to cover whole word section. Yeah, children, listen. Whole words means what? We don't use the phonic sound. We don't use the phonic sound and Three strategies. Okay. Use only the letters sound only. Don't use the phonic sound. Okay. Your children listen. Whole words. Look. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Look. Also. Also. A-L-S-O. Also. Same. Same. S-A-M-E. Same. The next word. Have. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. The next word. Land. Land. L-A-N-D. Land. Water. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Bird. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Live. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Your children, once again, I repeat. Your children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Your students, again. Look. Look. Also. Also. Same. Same. Have. Have. Teeth. Teeth. Some. Some. Land. Land. Water. Water. Bad. Sorry children. Bird. Bird. Live. Live. Yeah, children, this is your homework. Okay, I want to write 3 times in your notebook. Okay, I want to write in 3 times in your English note. Okay, yeah, children, look at the slide. I want to like this way. Okay, I want to write in your homework 3 times. Okay, look. Also, same, have, teeth, some, land, water, bird, live. Okay, your children take your English note and write 3 times. Okay, okay children, now. Children, now let us learn the reading and listening comprehension. Okay, look at the slide. Homes of animals. Homes of animals. Yeah, students, take your English reader book. Elga reader book. Yeah, children, take your Elga reader book. Take soon. Page number 16. Page number 16. Yeah, children, take your book. Okay, yes students, now look at the slide. Homes of animals. Say all of you. Homes of animals. Yeah children, look at the slide. What do you think? What is the topic of this picture? What is the topic? Homes of animals. Say once again. Homes of animals. Yeah, look at the pictures. What are the animals in the picture? Yes. Giraffe. Lion, fox, monkeys. Okay, next, what are the birds in the picture? There are 2 birds. How many birds? The 2 birds are sitting on the trees. Okay, next, yeah, in the water, turtle and the frog. In the water, there are 2 animals live in. First one, turtle, the another one, frogs. Okay, yeah, children, who are the characters? Animals and birds. Animals and birds. Yeah, children, What is the settings? What is the settings in this picture? What do you think? Say the answer. Yes, water and land. Water and land. Okay, yeah children, let us move on the next slide. Okay. Look at the next picture. What do you think? What is the name of this picture? Yes, homes. First one, caves. Caves. Then water. Next, house. Yeah, children, read the sentence. Yes, animals have many homes. Once again, yeah, children, please repeat after me. Animals have many homes. Okay, next one. Yeah, see the next picture. Some live on land. Some live on land. Yeah, children, who are the characters in the picture? There are three animals. How many animals? Three animals. Say the name, please. Yes, giraffe, lion, and the fox. Okay. Yeah, children, next, look at the next slide. What do you think? What are the animals inside of the water? Very good. First one, starfish, bluefish. Next, orange fish. Next, the another one fish has stripes. Okay, all the fishes are live in water. Okay, next, look at the next slide. What do you think? What are the animals in the picture? Monkeys and birds. Monkeys and birds. Yeah, children, read the sentence. Monkeys and birds live on trees. Once again, monkeys and birds live on trees. Yeah, what is the settings in this picture? What is the settings? Settings means place. Okay, here listen. Monkeys are lives on trees. Monkeys and birds live on trees. Yeah, the setting is jungle and forest. Jungle or forest. Yeah, children, first one picture. Some live in water. Next, monkeys and birds live on trees. Okay. Next one, bears and bats live in caves. The children look at the picture. Bears and bats live in caves. The next one picture. Frogs and turtles live in a pond. Frogs and turtles live in a pond. Okay. Yeah, children, caves means what? It is made up of rock or stones. Made up of rocks or stones. Okay, this is called caves. Next, frogs and turtles live in a pond. Yeah, children, look at the next slide. What are the animals inside of the water? Fishes and octopus live in water. What are the animals? Fishes and octopuses live in water. Okay, next slide. Deer and, say once again, deer and foxes live in a forest. Deer and foxes live in a forest. Who are the characters in the two pictures? First one picture, fishes and octopus. The setting is water. The another one picture, who are the characters? Deer and foxes. Okay. Setting is jungle or garden. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The boy is standing outside. The boy is standing outside our house. Listen, we live in a house. Yeah, children, read the sentence. We live in a house. Okay, animals also have house. Yeah, children, listen. We all live on planet Earth. We all live on planet Earth. Yeah, look at the picture. What do you think? Who are the characters? Animals and a boy. Animals and a boy. Yeah, listen. What is the settings in this picture? Earth. Yeah, children, we all live on a planet. This is called Earth. Okay. We live in a house. Animals also live in a house. We all live in planet Earth. We all live on planet Earth. Yeah, children, listen. In this lesson, we learned vocabulary words. Yeah, look at the slide. Yeah, children, look at the board now. Vocabulary words. Home. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Cave. C-A-V-E. Cave. Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Yeah, children, take your note. Write the vocabulary words in 2 times. Okay, now take your note. Look at the slide and write the vocabulary word 2 times. Quickly, children. Yeah, I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Quickly note it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, children, did you write finished? Okay. Students, look at the slide. Homes of animals. Homes of animals. Fill in the table below. First one, character, setting and action. Yeah, children, now take your workbook. Take soon. Take your Elga workbook. Take soon. Page number 14. Page number 14. Take your pencil also. Take soon, children. Now we are going to write who are the characters, setting and the action in the story. Okay, listen, look at the slide now. Yeah, children, who are the characters? Animals. Yeah, children, take your pencil, write the column, character column, write the answer, animals. Next, settings. Water and land. Water and land. What is the action? Children, say the action. Live. Live. Animals are live on the land or in the water. In the water. Yeah, children, the answer is given on the slide. Quickly, children, take your pencil. Take your workbook, page number 14. Write the answer. The answer is given on the screen. Quickly, I will give the time for you 10 seconds. Write soon. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time over. Quickly, children. Next. Now we are going to the grammar part. Okay. Children, take your workbook, page number 16. Take with your pencil also. Action and naming words. Action and naming words. Yeah, children, color the naming words in blue and action words in green. Yeah, children, take your crayons. Take your crayons box. Take the color blue and green. Blue and green. Take soon, children. Yeah, now I will read the sentence. Question number 1. A. The deer runs in the forest. The deer runs in the forest. Yeah, children. What is the naming word? Look at the board. What is the naming words in the sentence? Yeah, children, say the answer. What is the naming word in the sentence? Deer and forest. Okay. Yeah, children, next. What is the action word? What is the action word in the sentence? The deer runs in the forest. The deer runs in the forest. Yeah, action word. What is the action in the sentence? The children listen. Run. R-U-N. Run. The naming words. Deer and forest. The action is run. Yeah, listen. Look at the slide now. Next, question number 1. Letter B. The puppy is drinking water. The puppy is drinking water. What is the naming words? Puppy. What is the naming words? Puppy. Next, water. Next, water. Puppy and water. Naming word. What is the action word? Drink. What is the action word? Drink. Next, C. Rahul is writing a book. Rahul is writing a book. What is the naming word, children? Say the answer. Rahul and book. Rahul and book is a naming word. What is the action word in the sentence? Write. Write. Next sentence. Tina is playing with Jayoti. Tina is playing with Jayoti. Quickly, what is the naming word? What is the naming word? Jodi. What is the action word? Play. Yeah, in the sentence there are two naming words. Tina and Jayodi. What is the action word? Play. Okay. Next. Yeah, children, the answer is given on the slide. Write the answer quickly. Yeah, I will give the time for you. Quickly, children. Yeah, I will give the time for you. Quickly write the answers. Okay. Next. Yeah, page number 16. Take your worksheet. Page number 16. Complete the sentences by using words from the box below. Complete the sentences by using words from the box below. Yeah, children, look at the picture. First one, this is a dash. This is a dash. Yeah, children, the answer is given the box monkey. What is this? This is a monkey. Next one. The monkey lives on a dash. The monkey lives on a tree. Tree. What answer? Tree. Next. This is a fish. This is a fish. Yeah, children, write the answer. Fish. The fish lives in dash. The fish lives in dash. Water. Yeah, children, the answer is given on the slide. Listen. Okay, first one monkey. Next one answer tree. The another one answer fish. Last one answer water. Okay. Yeah, children, next we are going to cover writing and speaking comprehension. Look at the worksheet. Page number 17. Page number 17. Complete the sentences by using words from the box below. Yeah, listen. Look at the picture. This is a bear. The bear lives in a dash. Cave. What is the answer? Cave. Next, this is a dash. Fox. The fox lives in forest. We all live on planet. We all live on planet. Children, look at the board. The answer is given. First one. This is a bear. Children, take your pencil, write the answer. This is a bear. Second one, the bear lives in a dash. The bear lives in a cave. Next, this is a dash. Fox. This is a fox. Next, the fox lives in a dash. Forest. Last one, we all live on planet dash Earth. Yeah, children, write the answer quickly. Yeah, I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Quickly complete the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good, children. Next. Yeah, children, now we are going to in the end of the section. Okay, this is your homework today. Homework. Look at the slide. Your children write the letter I to L. Write the letter I to L. Write in your 4-line note. Okay, your children take your 4-line note. Write the letter I to L. In your 4-line note, write in 5 times. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye. Happy learning.